Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today our product spotlight is this Acacia bathtub tray that we got from Amazon. Guys, it really upgraded our whole bath routine. Having a tray while you're taking a bath in front of you is just absolutely awesome because you can put different things on it. A glass of wine, a book, you can literally put anything. And then this particular one we love because it's quite sturdy. It literally stays put, it doesn't wobble around or anything like that. And the great thing is you can extend it so that it can fit different size tubs. So that's great as well because tubs come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. And honestly guys, this has really upgraded our bath time routine and really suggest getting a tray for your bathtub. It really changes the way you take your bath. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye.